everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to the new course that we are going to start for the December 2023 students. If you are targeting the December 2023 CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences examination, then this particular course will be the best practice course that you can add on in your preparation. So in this particular video, I'll be giving you the entire details regarding the same, and then you can decide accordingly whether you want to enroll in the particular course. Okay. Now, before starting the video, if you're new to Botany Insider, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. Now, what is this course all about? First thing first, this particular course will be completely dedicated to your previous year questions. In addition to that, it will be dedicated to one complete revision of the entire course that is going to be like according to the prescribed syllabus. Let's look into the entire features of this particular course. First thing first, we'll be having all the previous year questions that are important from your exam point of view. We'll be starting on with the latest paper, that is 2023. Every single question will be dealt in depth and you'll be able to understand the concept behind the same. If you have seen the previous year questions, you can understand, like if you look into the June examination, you can see the questions get repeated time and again. So focusing upon the previous year questions is of utmost priority, and you need to have a very good structured preparation for the previous year questions, and this particular course will help you in the same. In addition to the previous years, one complete preparation, like one complete cycle of all the units, yes, animal physiology included, all the units will be revised, at least like the complete syllabus will be revised in the live classes, and you'll get all the recordings in your application itself with unlimited access. So detailed previous year question access preparation will be there. Then we'll be having like, this is a very new additional feature. We'll be talking about it at the end. Then the revision classes will be there for all the units, which will be live, and you'll get unlimited access to all the recordings as well. Every Sunday you'll be having tests. Then hard copy PYQ pointers will be sent to you so that you can revise the previous year questions in the best manner. That is, we have a specific curated, a very specially curated PYQ pointers. So these PYQ pointers will be sent to you in the hard copy format, delivered to your doorstep. In addition to that, the notes will be provided to you in the soft copy format in the app itself. Okay, so we are trying to provide you every single thing which you require for your preparation. Then we have, you'll be getting personalized attention, and regular doubt sessions will be held in the entire syllabus, in the entire course. So these are the various features. We'll be having detailed previous year questions starting from 2023, and we'll be having the questions at least till 2016. Like it depends upon, like we'll be going ahead with the 2015 and other papers as well, depending on the importance. But up till 2016, we'll try to cover up as many questions as possible. In like every single question will be taken in detail. In addition to that, in the questions, you'll be having the general aptitude practice as well. Like part A, part B, part C, all the three segments will be taken up. Then talking about a very new feature for you all, that is a personal CBT practice portal will be provided to you. Many students have this problem during the end or at the end of their preparation, that they have not practiced any previous year question with the help of the CBT mode, the framework which is provided to you in the main examination. So we'll give you a personal CBT mode portal from Botany Insiders end, completely free of cost in this course itself. You just have to, like, you'll be getting your personal ID, your personal password. You have to log into that and you'll be able to practice out the questions. You'll be able to practice out the previous year questions and prepare yourself for the CBT mode as well. So this is a very, very new feature that we are working on, and it's very important for you to have CBT mode practiced. Okay, that is for you to learn about how to handle the CBT mode, because majority of the students face this mistake during the examination, that they are not able to understand how to use that CBT mode. So for that, we have a personal CBT practice portal which will be curated for each and every student personally. So you can enroll in this particular course and you can get the benefit of this personal CBT practice mode portal as well. Very, very interesting, new, and a complete fresh approach to your preparation. Now, this is about all the things. Repeating it again, you will be adding on a complete fresh new content to your preparation with this CBT mode practice portal, which is completely free of cost to all the enrolled students on our application. That is, if you have taken up, or if you take up this PYQ revision course, you'll be getting the personal CBT practice mode portal completely curated for your fresh, different, and a level up preparation for your upcoming attempt. So this is about for this particular video, and the pricing for the course is 999 only, and you'll get an additional 10% off as a early bird offer. If you can download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store and get yourself enrolled in the same. It's a very, very interesting course. It's a very new course that you can add on in a preparation. If you have prepared for this examination in the best manner possible, so take this course and practice out the questions, because practicing out the questions is very important, right? And keeping in mind the importance of the previous year questions, we have curated this course for you all. I hope this particular video was helpful for you all, and I'm expecting all of you to see into the new course that is starting from 18th. Enrollment starts today. There's a description in the description box, you'll find a link. Just click on that link for getting yourself enrolled in the course and booking your slots. We'll be having a very limited number of students enrolled, so make sure to download the application right away and get your slots booked. It's available in very, very affordable prices. This price is something which you all just utilize within one outing, right? So add on this particular thing in your examination preparation and you'll see your rank getting boosted to the next level. So this is about for this particular course and the entire information. If you have any other query, any other problem, you can contact us via this WhatsApp number also, or you can download our application and have a personalized chat with us. Okay, so this is about for this particular video. I hope it was helpful. So download our application, get yourself enrolled. In addition to that, we have a full course and a crash course running for you all. So if you wish, you can download the application and get yourself in this particular course as well. And this is the new course that is starting from 18th of September. Okay, so download the application right away and get yourself enrolled. Thank you for watching this video. All the best, everyone. Good luck. Take care. Bye.